Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're exploring SmartCredit, found at www.smartcredit.com. This platform offers a suite of tools designed to help you understand and improve your credit health. Navigating the complexities of credit scores and reports can be daunting, but SmartCredit aims to simplify the process, providing you with the resources you need to take control of your financial well-being. Understanding your credit score is crucial in today's financial landscape. It affects everything from loan approvals and interest rates to even rental applications. SmartCredit provides a comprehensive overview of your credit report, breaking down the factors that influence your score. They offer insights into your credit history, helping you identify areas for improvement and potential inaccuracies that might be negatively impacting your creditworthiness. SmartCredit offers a variety of features, including credit monitoring and alerts, which can help you stay informed of any changes to your credit report. This is essential for detecting potential fraud or identity theft. By providing real-time updates, SmartCredit empowers you to react quickly to any suspicious activity and take the necessary steps to protect your financial identity. Beyond monitoring, SmartCredit provides educational resources and personalized recommendations tailored to your unique credit situation. They offer guidance on how to build credit responsibly, manage debt effectively, and improve your overall credit health. This personalized approach can be invaluable in achieving your financial goals. Whether you're looking to purchase a home, buy a car, or simply improve your financial standing, understanding and managing your credit is paramount. SmartCredit offers a valuable toolkit to help you navigate the credit landscape with confidence. Remember to check out the link in the description below for more information. Thanks for watching.